How does the most high-tech school system in the world spend hundreds of millions rolling out AI textbooks only to turn around and ban the devices you need to run them? This isn't a glitch. Starting March 2026, Korea is restricting smartphones in class. It is the ultimate contradiction. They spent millions to put screens on every desk, and now they are passing laws to ban screens in the same room. If you think this is just foreign policy, you are missing the warning sign. The AI revolution didn't just fail here, it hit a wall that is currently invisible in your district, but about to become very obvious. In this video, I'm going to reveal the embarrassing adoption number, the 19% verdict that forced the government's hand, and I'll show you the mutation strategy they are replacing it with, which is much more dangerous for your students' privacy. Before we get to the data, we have to look at the logic. Teachers have called screens digital heroin for years, but the administration ignored it. This ban is the government finally admitting the physics of the classroom. You cannot fix an attention crisis with the same device that accelerates it. That is the belief you need to accept to understand what happened next. Now, let's look at the failure. When the government stopped forcing schools to use AI textbooks and made it a choice, the market spoke. First, adoption hit only 32%. Then it free falls to 19%. This is the 19% verdict. When the mandate dies, the adoption rate tells the truth. Teachers looked at the tool and the distraction it caused and exercised their right to refuse. The government didn't pull the plug because they wanted to, they pulled it because the teachers effectively went on strike against the hardware. But here's the billion-dollar problem. The contracts were already signed, the cloud infrastructure was built, the tech giants were promised a rollout. You can't just delete a national project. So the project didn't disappear. This is the mutation, the new policy. Isn't about education, it's about surveillance. They are pivoting from force every kid to use a tablet to track every kid's compliance. They are rebranding the next wave as Human-Centric AI. It sounds nice, right? Less screen time, more humanity. But look closer at the vendor contracts. It shifts the AI from the textbook to the background. It's no longer about teaching the student, it's about monitoring the teacher in the classroom environment. It is safer for the government, but much more invasive for you. This human-centric branding is coming to your district next year. It will look harmless. It will promise to reduce screen time, but it will increase data collection. You need to know how to spot the difference between a tool that helps and a tool that spots. I've created a one-page defense checklist to audit these contracts. Click the video right here to walk through the checklist with me and protect your district before you sign.